Very easy and realistic grass tutorial without any add-on or asset. Add a plane and subdivide it. Texture it with any grass texture you can download from the internet. Add particle and check advanced. Change hair length. Increase the number of particle emissions like 100,000. In the physics power section, set the Brownian value to 0.05. That's all. Then, if you want, you can change the grass length and other thicknesses by playing with those values.